how to use the Halo T-shirt hair towel. First up, how to plop your hair for curly hair or more volume. First, lay your towel down on a flat surface. Scrunch your wet hair for waves and curls. Next, lower your head towards the center of the towel and pull the front of the towel over the nape of your neck. Wrap around and under the forehead area. Then take the two long ends and tie at the back of your head. Let your hair air dry for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now, how to turban wrap your hair with the halo. Lower your head towards the front of the towel and pull the front over the nape of the neck. Wrap around to the forehead area and twist the towel. Bring the twist over the head and secure at the nape of your neck. The Halo hair towel has a super low surface area to prevent frizz and breakage. We hope you love the Halo hair towel as much as we do.